In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Siteground hosting account in 2025. Whether you're looking to switch providers or simply no longer need your hosting services, this easy guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth experience. You'll have your account cancelled in just a few minutes. First, let's begin by navigating to Siteground's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Siteground, or click on your existing bookmark to go to their homepage. You should see a welcoming page with various options related to web hosting services. Next, look towards the top right corner of the homepage for the Login button. Click on it and it will lead you to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your credentials, your email and password, and hit enter or click the Login button. Ensure you have these details handy before proceeding. If you happen to have forgotten your password, don't worry, there's an option to reset it, just follow the provided instructions. Once you're logged in, head over to the My Siteground account section. You'll find this option typically at the top of the page or under a menu, depending on any updates they might have made to their site structure since the last time you logged in. This section is essentially the command center of your Siteground account, providing access to subscriptions and settings. Inside your account, locate the Services or Hosting Services area. This is where Siteground lists all the services you're subscribed to. Click on the Settings button next to the service you wish to cancel. This will open up more detailed options specific to that service. Look for the icon that resembles three dots, often referred to as the Options or More icon. Clicking this will usually give you a drop-down list of additional actions you can take. In this context, one of those actions will be the option to cancel. Select this option when it appears. At this point, Siteground may ask you to confirm your decision to cancel. They might provide you with some alternatives like downgrading or pausing your service in case you're uncertain. If you're sure about your decision, proceed with confirming the cancellation. It's a good idea to review any cancellation policies or fees that might apply in your situation. And that's it, you've successfully cancelled your Siteground hosting account. You should receive an email confirmation shortly, verifying that your cancellation request has been processed. If you encounter any issues or have questions, Siteground's customer support is there to help. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide made the cancellation process straightforward and hassle-free.